Hi guys, it's me Belle and welcome to our channel. Make sure you will click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be always updated when we have posted a new video. Bye-bye!
This is the homepage of our Safety Inspection Checklist app. This app makes it easy to create detailed inspection reports. When you click the New Inspection button, you begin by entering an inspection title. In this video, our inspection title is the Construction Site Daily Safety Check. Below the title, the app displays individual inspection items. Each item contains an item label, which describes what users are inspecting. For example, PPE check or scaffolding stable. This label ensures each part of the inspection is clearly defined. Each item also includes a note field where you can add quick observations or descriptions of issues found. We will input all workers observed wearing helmets and safety boots. A severity selector lets you set the level of concern, such as normal, minor, or critical. There is also a photo button inside each item. It allows you to capture images for evidence or reference. If you need to inspect more areas, the Add Item button lets you insert additional label sections. Once all items are completed, you can save the inspection for future review. This structure keeps every inspection organized: a clear title, clearly labeled items, detailed notes, severity ratings, and photo documentation all in one simple workflow. You can view it on Save Inspections button.